Good morning everyone and welcome to Crans Montana and the UTMB Wildstrubel. My name is Phil and today I'm running the Wild 70 trail running race, which is 73 kilometers in length with an elevation gain of 3,700 meters. For the route and trail description you can find a link to the official website below. The weather turned really bad with low temperatures and quite a bit of snow, so the race organizers have changed the route to avoid the higher altitude passes. They have also asked everyone to bring their cold weather kit. The weather is going to be absolutely shit. Let's go!